this be what you're asking for?
Yes, yes it is. No, well, hold on. That's a 5p. Yes, it is. It's a 5p orbital.
Okay.
Yeah. More as a cat? Not quite. Not quite. So, we'll start with the. Jonathan, you got the easier one too. You're getting closer. Yeah. Angel, I think you're getting further away. Yes. Alright. No. That's. I mean, that's good. Alright. So, 15 more minutes, so I'll try to draw it here really quickly. So, just kind of, it's just the best way to remember these things is like the shape. So remember the p orbital starts with 2p, so a 3p orbital increase the number of lobes, and a 4p just increase the number of lobes one more. And then the 5p will have an additional lobes on top of that. Yeah, so this is a 5p, which is that, I think, right? Yeah, so 1, and then that one is shaded, 1, 2, 3, and then click a little bit shaded. Okay, so that's a p orbitals, and the 1s orbital starts with 1s, this is 1s, and we have 2s, 3s, 4s, and then you get bigger. Okay, I don't have space to draw the 5s, but essentially you get bigger, bigger, and bigger. And I think if you increase one more shell, you get 5s. Then I asked you to draw the dz squared and the dxy thing. So remember, you start out with the 3D orbital, the dz squared looks like this, right? So you have that. And remember, these are shells on top of Saturn ring type thing. So one of them, there's like an extra lobe here. But there's also another ring of Saturn on top of the other one. I'm giving you a harder one to draw. Sorry? That's the first n, right? So 4dz squared, and then if you do 5dz squared, actually, Angel, I gave you one of the harder ones to draw because. Yes. Oh, it doesn't matter as long as you're opposites. Because every single time you hit a lobe, it goes from positive to negative. So as long as it's kind of intermittent between one to the other. Yes, that one is kind of it's impossible to draw. So yeah, that one is harder to draw. No, but yeah, that one's actually really hard to draw. dxy. It's just like mostly just follow one to the next in terms of the shape. So this is 3dxy, so this is x and y axis. So as you go up 4dxy, so that's a 4, you increase the number of lobes, or the mushroom cap. So that's 4, and we want to go all the way to 5. So one more on top of what we've already drawn. Yes. Yeah. Zigzag, so that's one. So one more. Yeah.
You have the little shell that splits the
Okay.
and then the next side is open. I can't really tell.
It's supposed to be open, but I think I'm just not drawing it as well as I just say erase everything. It's like, it's supposed to be an open, like a not shaded ring. I don't know. Obviously, these are hard to draw, so usually people don't ask you to draw the d orbitals, but you should be able to do, you know, the 4 and the p, the s and the p, because you're just adding the modes. These ones are harder, but I do want to show just kind of the actual shape and what they look like.